Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm AK Jenfi. um I'm going to now remove the back calipers, as you guys can see over here. I'm going to rebuild it as we did to the front one, the same operation. And the only thing I think I will left, I won't do nothing to it, is the brake hose over here where I'm pointing my finger. We're not going to change the brake hose, but I'm going to, like, for now, just remove the brake calipers and rebuild it as we did to the front ones. Let's go ahead, let's get started. Starting off, you disconnect the brake pad wire over here. Then going ahead, here you do have your handbrake. We are doing the rear brakes, so of course you have your handbrake connected. Now we are going to remove the handbrake cable that's over here. We are going to remove it. Over here you do have a nut of the bracket that's holding the cable. It's over here with a 13mm spanner to hold it like this. By doing this, see, we are able to, like, push it, like pull it, like adjust it, forth back and forth, like make it go back with by just pulling my hands up. I'm able to make the cable go backwards. Then with a ply, I just pull it. I have to remove it from the bracket. I have to pull it like some way down there. There I'm able to disengage it. Where it is, this clip, metal clip, you have to remove it. Yeah, I'm doing it with my hands, one hand, and the other one is like trying to remove the cable. It's not easy. Doing with two hands is difficult. Perfect. By having it like this, once we go to remove the these two bolts over here, it's easier for the caliper to come out without a problem. So we will go ahead and remove the caliper without having any issue. The only issue was trying to remove the rear handbrake. Like, I recommend removing it. You have to have the handbrake pull all the way down, and you have to open the brake tank under the bonnet. You have to have the brake oil tank cover like the cap removed, just these two things. Let's go ahead. Going ahead, we are going to remove the two bolts. I'm going to spray the WD-40. This is 17 spinner, or a 17 spinner. You hold it this side. So now I'm going to use my little impact gun. There the two bolts comes off. Let's try and see if it does comes up. Pretty easy. Voila, there we have it. So now I'm going to let me remove the part before I do some damage to it. Remove one side. There. Like this side is like half. The part is just like is full this side. The other side is like all the way. It's like almost gone. They are not. It's not wearing out even. It's not wearing out evenly the parts because the caliper has a problem, especially the piston, like the piston boot. I'll show you, like you can somehow see it over here, but I'll show you very close with the camera. Going ahead, over here we do have the brake hose coming to connect the caliper. So I'm going to use spanner 14 to undo the hole. Going to remove it. Oh damn. I'll break loose it. Now I'm going to like do it, turn the caliper on the hose without using the spanner. Sometimes it requires you to use the spanner, but you will use it to turn it like halfway, then you go ahead with your hands, like turning only the caliper. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing. I wasn't having a turn only the caliper. I don't want the oil to come out. I want the brake oil to come out, so I'm going to use a spinner. No, I'm going to use this ply to like to clip here the hose to stop the oils from coming out. Yeah, there it is. Then we have the caliper over here. Now I'm going to like together with you guys, we are going to move to the my working table and dismantle it. I'm going to remove everything, get it clean and rebuild it. Let's go ahead.